everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So we are just going to continue with our Easter sewing series. Yes, today is Monday and not so Sundays, but I missed yesterday, so I'm making up for today. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to need a strip that measures 20 by 4. You will need your earpieces. I have already cut mine out, and this is the pattern that I am using. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your piece and you're going to sandwich them together like this, and you're going to place pins down, okay? Pin them together. Now, you want to make sure that you start sewing here all the way down, and you're going to stop here. So we're going to leave about a 1-inch opening on each end. Now, for our ears, you want to sew all the way around. You want to stop here, back stitch, leave a gap about 1.5 inches. You're going to start here, back stitch, and then sew around. Okay, so we're just going to leave that opening here so where we can turn our fabrics right side out. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to place your fabric piece down on your sewing machine, and you're going to move it underneath the presser foot just a little bit. And now you're going to put your presser foot down, and you're going to sew a straight stitch going all the way down. Next, we have our bunny ears. You're going to place it underneath your presser foot, right at the tip. Drop your presser foot down, and now you're going to sew here, back stitch, skip a space, sew here, back stitch, and sew all the remaining going around. Okay, so once you have sewn your pieces together, you have turned them right sides out. Now we're going to take our 2 pieces, match them both up together, and we're now going to create a straight stitch attaching them. So you're going to line them up, and now we're going to create a straight stitch attaching both of these 2 pieces. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. This is your piece here. Remember, we still have this opening here. So we got to make sure we close that up. And you should have something that looks like this. And here is our hole here so that we can place our elastic inside. So you're going to get 2 safety pins. You're going to place 1 safety pin on one end. And leave it just like this. And you're going to place another safety pin, place it on the opposite end, but you're going to attach it to the fabric. And why you're doing that is because you don't want to lose the elastic inside of the fabric, okay? So it's attached on one end, and now I'm going to use this safety pin to place inside, and I'm just going to move the elastic through the fabric like so. Until we get to the other end. So you're going to pull everything through. You're going to remove the safety pins. But make sure you hold on to it. You don't want it to fall inside, or you will have to start all the way over. Okay? So this is our second safety pin. I'm going to take that out. Hold on to the other piece, bring them both out, and now we're just going to tie a knot. Okay, make sure that it's tight. This is a 8-inch elastic piece here, and we're just going to put it all inside. And as you can see, we have our scrunchie already, but now it's time to close up that gap. Okay, so now we can attach our 2 pieces together so we can see our final product. So we're just gonna place this inside of the scrunchie. I'm gonna wrap it around and just tie it in a knot. What I would do differently next time is make my ears a little bit bigger because I want them to be a little bit more dramatic. But nonetheless, they turned out pretty cute. And you're just going to pull it through and change it to your liking. Just going to pull it real tight. so you can really see the ear, get the ear effect of it. Okay, so here's our finished product. It turned out really, really cute. I like it, and I hope that you all give it a try. Super easy, super cute, and beginner friendly. And these are also great for like scrap projects, for the little pieces of fabrics that you don't want to throw away. Create you a bunch of these and give them away, possibly. Okay, so I hope that you all enjoyed the video. I hope that it was easy to follow. If you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up. And also, if you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Until next time, bye.